Garlejos are set sail. We got our, what the fuck do you call this guy? Alright, we're going to the center. What about you?
We're spinning around, fool.
Captain, dog. Hey, Alvin, what was that guy's name? That killed the dad? That guy.
Ah, yeah. Oh shit, I'm going the wrong way, huh?
For Vikings, bro.
For Vikings?
Oh, Vikings.
I'm gonna set sail. Lake Lomond.
Bro, where are we going?
Look, it's sucking your wheel.
We in the middle, dude.
Wilson!
Hey, why don't you just have it dragging in the back?
Because we're freaking awesome like that.
Do you guys use the anchor?
What anchor?
Why do we have the muscle guy do this?
I don't know.
Why don't we just do teamwork and shit?
You said it was a challenge, bro. He's getting the hang of it.
You know, he has to lead with his left a little more.
You know, he has to lean back. He's got to just point with his arm. Look at his left. Look at his left.
Tell him.
I'm struggling.
Where are we gonna fish, you guys? Like literally out in the open?
Alvin, where are you?
Go right here, fool. Just start right here.
Alvin, trade with me. I'm going to try.
Okay.
Oh yeah, we got muscle man Trav now.
It's all technique, though. I'll tell you this right now. Your technique.
Take on to the challenge.
Dude, can you pass water? You want your water?
Yeah.
I got it.
What is this shit?
What is this fucker?
Gonna wrap it around you.
Goes in your back.
It's fitting my neck.
No, you have to wear it.
Damn, dude, it's fucking hot. Don't you love the breeze though?
I feel the
Under there. Should have brought both umbrellas.
Captain, the boat is squeaking.
Are you just like paddling out of nowhere?
Hey, we're getting somewhere, huh, first mate?
Yes, we are.
Well, we're going back.
Oh, what the fuck is this?
Where are you going?
Try to turn around.
How that one? Yeah.
Yo, when we catch a fish, where do we put it?
Oh shit, in the bucket.
Here.
Oh, we got a bucket.
There, I have a flashlight.
Fucking go in the middle, dog.
We're gonna do it big. We're gonna capture something great.
I like
Really
it.
catch
Not for the camera.
We're gonna capture the Loch Ness.
Shut the hell up.
This is fucking good.
Christian, you wanna try?
Yeah, I'll try it.
I'll try it. All the boys taking a shot. Oh, fuck.
Oh, shit.
Alvin, you getting seasick yet?
Where are we going?
Fuck, my back is all wet now.
Hey, the freaking umbrella. That look gross,
Stop
dude.
splashing me.
Is that wet or is that your...
It's wet. Alvin splashing so good.
Oh, you fucker!
Dude, they're just looking at us like, what the hell are they doing?
Dude, there's a good spot right here. Look, we're almost to the other side.
Alright, good, good. Can we fish here?
Yeah. Alvin, don't do it.
Drop the anchor, bro.
Where is the anchor?
Over there. I'm gonna drop it. Really?
God damn, this umbrella's in my head.
Do you really want me
Yeah.
to drop
Don't
Yeah.
splash it, though.
it? Is that supposed to be dropped? What if it was just for
that.
the boat? Or
No.
for the pier?
What do you mean for the pier?
Or-
You tie it
Was
to
it
the
an
pier.
anchor?
It's an anchor. Just let it. As long as it's tied.
Oh
my god, Alvin!
Go grab it! Where's that? I don't know, go look!
Fucking Alvin, dude.
Oh, no one told me. I thought it was tight already. What? I have an idea.
Go fish for it.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Look for it, dude. Fucking Alvin, dude.
As long as it's tied.
Dude, go back to the spot you were.
Hold on, I'm going.
Everything looks the same. Oh, you're gonna hook him, dude.
Deep blue sea, yo. Fuck, we failed.
Hey, okay, I have an idea.
I got that on camera.
Grab a paddle and feel where it's at.
Is it floating? The string is floating?
No, dude, it might have been too deep to even think, dude.
So it would have taken us down?
No, it would have been floating.
I don't think that was the anchor. What was it? What was it?
It was like a
Cement.
cinder block and shit.
Fuck.
Maybe they didn't see.
Okay, when we go back, what are we gonna do?
Oh, it was the
Dude, fuck.
Try feeling for it.
Alright, okay, wait.
I feel like
Fuck.
we're moving.
Freaking Alvin, dude.
Now we have no choice but to drift.
Alright, okay, wait.
Use this. I'm gonna use this. I think that's mine. Is it green line?
Hey,
the freaking
umbrella.
Mine. Hey, yo, we fucking rock.
Do you have the ability to pedal?
Huh?
Do you have the ability to pedal?
Why?
Oh, shit.
God, it is connected. We're not fucked.
Is it really?
Yeah, it's connected to the outside.
Thank
Grab
God.
it.
Grab it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Grab it.
Wait, hold on.
Fuck, that scared me, dude.
Yo, I don't even have a fucking sunscreen.
I don't either.
That's gonna be good. It's gonna get dark.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Good, thank God. Fucking
Sorry.
shit. Okay, dude, stand still, dude. It's connected to the floor
Hey,
already.
just stop it now, dude.
Alright, I'm gonna be fishing for a while. It's going on YouTube. How does it make you feel?
Want me to grab it?
Wow.
Can I, like, take this?
You guys want me to grab it?
No, just leave it now.
Christine, put that back up. Wanna use your fishing pole, bro?
Use yours?
And can you put it? I gotta redo mine.
Give it up. Let me quit.